Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and within this video I will discuss about a project which I made within 2 hours I guess, and this was jumbled words. I know this may not sound that cool, but this was my first project which I didn't just copy from internet. If I see jumbled words in Python, you can just see Python program to implement jumbled word game, and it's like this. But no, I didn't wanted a game like this. I wanted a game like that, like this. If you see, I want to show you. Wait a second. Do you want to play jumbled words? Yes. Discord server I join. Yeah, this was kind of a question and still is within syllabus. And I like this because I could import random, and I just thought, hey, I could do it easily, and I just didn't find any tutorials on it on YouTube whatsoever. So I don't know why you are watching this video, but I'm giving you explanation why, how, and what was there. So first of all, import random. It will give a random. It's important for randomness, okay, within Python. From random import sample. Okay, to be honest, I didn't know what this was until I saw this. Wait a second. I have to show you my history, okay. Yeah, this randomly select elements from list without repetition in Python. I didn't want any whatsoever repetition within the string. No, I wanted it to be like this. I didn't want any extra Discord, any extra server, any extra my, or any extra word. So I copied this and I understood what this was. There was this random dot sample, the list, and the number of items you want to be repeated, randomized but not repeated. What happened? Okay. And well, I understood what it was. I really still don't know what some things are, but I'm still doing it just to understand it. And now I made a is equal to this string. This is the string. This is what I want the input output to be. This is what you have to type to win. B is 0. I don't know. I'm using a lot of variables because I'm starting out Python. I want to really see my progress, and I made three that what is called it. I made three empty lists. List 1, list 2. Yeah, I was running out of inspiration for names, and what I did was simple. For I in range 1 comma length a. What is for? It will do till the time of integers 1 to length a. And here's what the magic happened. I didn't even know what I was doing. I was just doing it. I was random. I didn't even know what to place 0, 1. I was just messing around with numbers. So if a of I is equal to 0 or is equal to blank, then what we have to do is, for example, join my Discord server. We have here, and here. So what we want, join. Okay, join will be for j. Wait, what did I do? Okay, join. Now here it will be for a of I or a of 1. It will see the first letter, which is j. As j is not equal to blank, it will do within else, but there is no else, so it will do nothing. Now if it is true, for example, it is true for the case of the fifth character. Fifth character, what I will do is e is equal to a, and there is step, like it's called a step I of a, which means that it will take all. What am I doing? It will take all this and input it as e. Then I would import it as a within list 2. Then what I will do is list 2 dot append a, as a is not whatsoever e. I repeat, e will not come. E will only come if there is a space here. But if you don't want a space here, you can still do it with this. Okay, for, and now comes the second for loop. For I in range 0 comma length list 2 x is equal to list 2 of the ith element dot replace list 2 I minus 2 comma a. Okay, I don't even know what I did here. It just worked. I'm sorry if you wanted the explanation for it. Here's what the most magic happened, and yet I don't know what it is. I'm sorry, absolutely sorry for it. But I can still give an explanation, I guess, for it. List 2 of 1, which would be the join here in this case, dot replace list 2 I minus 1, which would be nothing within this case. So for within the first case it would nothing would happen. Then within the second case, list 2 of 2 dot replace of 1, it will replace join this join, it will replace join, as a list 2 of 1 is join. So and if I do this, it will do for all the integers or for all the strings, and I would append list 3 x within list 3. Then I would make a z is equal to random dot sample. Okay, that's why I made this. And from Geeks of Geeks, you could get this article. I would link it within description. And as you can see, I made a z which would be a list within this case, and there is also a dot join thing which would replace a thing with which would replace certain kinds of things with certain kinds of characters. I would show you the website from which I found this. Yes, how to remove a character. I found this from this. As you can see, this is the code for example, and what I did was do the same thing but for dot join z. So I joined z with you, and then what I did was take input. If input was yes, I would start the game, else I would say bye. If input was correct, I would say you won, else you lost. And wait, let me tell you what it will collect all z, as z is a list, it will have all elements, it will join all elements with this character. I wanted this to be this character only, and luckily it used this. I forgot about this. I'm extremely sorry, and excuse me for my background disturbance. And now if I run this file, it will run it. Do you want to play jumbled words? Yes. Discord/my/Jarvis join. As I really know what is there, you should really join my Discord server or subscribe. You could do is you won. Easy like that. Now let's take, for example, Little Angel School, as it's my school. I'm sorry. Little Angel School, and now if I say Control S and I press enter, okay, and yes, Little School Angels, as I know, Little Angels School, and you won. If you want a code, I would give link to a pastebin website which would let you copy this code and run this code within. If you have Python, it does not require any modules. These modules are inbuilt, which means you don't have to install anything. You can just copy paste and it would run. But it was extremely interesting making it. It took a lot of time, as even my brothers, one is within CS, didn't even know the answer, and he's 6 years older than me. So it was just fun for me. I didn't copy anything. If you want to see my history, I didn't copy anything whatsoever because I didn't want it to copy. Just copying isn't my style, okay? Anyways, bye guys. I don't really know what I did with this video, but it was fun making.